What's up guys, welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. This is Peter and you've read the title. What we have here is the TECNO POVA Neo. It's an entry-level device that features a 6.8-inch HD Plus display, dual rear cameras, and a massive 6000 mAh battery with support for an 18 watts fast charging rate. So without any further ado, let's see what to expect in the box. We have a slim box here, and as we open it up, there's the phone right away. Then remove the plastic. What we have here is in the obsidian black color, but there's also a geek blue and a Puvihi color available. Oh, by the way, it also has a pre-installed screen protector, which is a plus. Meanwhile, for the other things in the box, there's the free clear case, the manuals and warranty, the SIM ejector tool, earphones, power adapter, and the micro USB cable. And that's everything inside the box. For now, we enjoyed that the device has a large 6.8-inch HD Plus display paired with a big 6000 mAh battery that allowed us to enjoy viewing things on a bigger screen for a long number of hours. According to TECNO, this is the smartphone for everyday heroes like delivery riders, teachers, nurses, and more among others. It is said to be a device that is full of power, making it a reliable partner, especially at this price point. We will find out in our full review if what they are saying is correct and if it is worth your hard-earned cash. Of course, we will also check its other capabilities in our full review, including the cameras, display, and many more. As for the price, the unit that we have is a 4GB of RAM with 64GB variant, and it is priced at 5,999 pesos. Meanwhile, the 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage is available for 6,999 pesos. We will flash the specs here in case you want to see. Feel free to pause the video, guys. And that's it! We will be using this more, so stay tuned for our full review. So please like and subscribe and read www.gizguide.com for the latest in tech here in the country. Thank you so much for watching and please stay safe always. Goodbye!